Hello and welcome to Casperency.org. Today we are going to talk about a very hot topic, which is Dogecoin. It's like running all around the Twitter and all around the world. We all are familiar now with the coin. Let's talk about a risk disclaimer before continuing with the Dogecoin or with the topics we are going to cover today. So our content is purely my own opinion and it's based on like it's only for educational purposes. We don't guarantee you any returns, and investment and trading is highly risky stuff. Please feel free to like ask your financial advisor to before making any financial decision, because stock market is something which is high risk high reward business and it's not suitable for everyone. So what we are going to talk about is a Dogecoin. So I want to give you a brief introduction before we are going to cover the topic, so that you can get to know. If you are familiar, that's okay, but here is a brief description about the Dogecoin. Dogecoin is a cryptocurrency. You all may be familiar with the cryptocurrency. What is it? Like, cryptocurrency is something which is not controlled by any banks, or the transactions is purely, it's private. The banks can't track the cryptocurrencies. In 2016 onwards, the cryptocurrency comes into its play. In mostly these currencies are used in the dark web to purchase many more stuffs and all those, so that can be tracked by the government or the banking system. But the thing is, here we are not going to talk about what is the cryptocurrency or the crypto market. Here we are going to talk about whether we can invest in the Dogecoin right now, or whether we will wait. If we want to invest or if we want to buy, what is the right way to buy, where to buy, and how. We will show you the proof of buying a Dozy for 65 rupees and selling it for 1700 rupees. So we'll get into the topics more deeper. Once we will continue to discuss about the Dogecoin, I'll show you everything right away. And here we are also going to make a purchase of Dogecoin live in front of you. The trending topic, the Dogecoin. What is the Dogecoin? I already cleared you with a small brief description about the Dogecoin, and that's okay. I think that's enough to know about cryptocurrency. This video is not based on the cryptocurrency. If you want to know about the cryptocurrencies, how they are made, how they are generated, how they are evaluated, you can write me on my email. Or if you want this video in Hindi, just because I have more curious that how to buy Dogecoin in India. So I just want to discuss the view of investing in cryptocurrency. That will be my view. You might be the different. How to buy Dogecoin, some past trades which is carried out by me, how to buy Doge, especially in India. The same process is for entire world. You might get a better broker than what I have seen, or your broker have this Dogecoin in, they allow to trade. But in India, the Indian broker which are like popular, like Zerodha or other, I can say all other brokers, they are not allowing us to trade cryptocurrency. They have various reasons for that. Let's not go into this. We'll see some past trade carried out by us, some past performance, and how to get new coins in the portfolio right away in front of you. So here it's a Coinbase. I already made a video on Coinbase, how to buy bitcoins, where I bought some Dogecoins and I sold it, and I left some 65 quantities. If I go to my balance, so let's go to orders, completed order, etc order. Okay, Indian Dozy, I bought it for like buy quantity 39,970 rupees invested, and then I sell it for 1044. The quantity is like 3900. I sold it early, and I'm I was like, why I sold it, right? Okay, then I left with the 65 doses, and then the 65 doses will be sold for 1383. That means I bought it for 2128 rupees and sold it for 1383 rupees. It's on, like, Dozy is flying like anything. So you can use Coin. If you want to use the Coin, the entire tutorial is there on my YouTube channel, that is Casperency TV. Once you come here, you will see how to buy bitcoins in India. This is the same video where I make purchase of Dogecoins and how to create wallets and all those. But right now we are going to see talk about the WazirX that is available for the entire, that is available for the entire world. So now I use this. Okay, last night I carried out a trade. If they can show me the trade, I carried out a trade of like 40 quantities that are 40 quantities last night or maybe the day before yesterday, and I bought it for like 900 and something. Let's see. Okay, 994 rupees, and now it's like it's giving me profit of like 300 400 around something. Let's not get into this. The topic here is we need to cover how to buy a Dogecoin. So let's say how you can make an account. You can buy Dogecoin by creating account on WazirX. Okay, the link is in description. If you use the link below the description to make to open an account, I will be there to help you with your KYC and all those verification, or else you can go and make your account by going to wazirx.com and you can create it. That's the simple way. You will have to fill the email, name and all those. Now you are seeing that last night the Doji was of 19 rupees, and before that it also 17th April 2030, that means 8:30 around something, the Doji was on 1853. Now it's on 33. You can see the growth. So let's see how we can go to the how we can buy. I have like fund available with me. The INR fund available with me is 506.24. So let's try getting into the trade. You just need to come here. Just need to select Dogecoin. The lowest price which the WazirX can provide is 33 rupees 11 paise. So let's fill the quantity. Let's say we are ready to buy 500 rupees of Dogecoin. That means we will be allotted 15 coins using 500 and 500 rupees. Okay, now why I am investing less, because now I think Doji is more pumped up. But the thing is, I have a view. In 2006, I have a view about Bitcoins, but that time I was not that much active in the market. So this time I am getting, look, this is something which is my personal. Okay, I'm not giving you an investment advice to get into the trade. If you are okay to lose this much amount of money, you can just trade. Okay, the thing is, I don't guarantee you the investment, but this is something which has future. The coin has future. I had seen the Bitcoins going up like anything. The BTC, you can see the 47.23 BTC INR is going crazy, and you can see other currencies are also going crazy. So somewhere I can feel this Dogecoin will be accepted by some of the biggest company. So this is something which is not technically, but which I feel it's like good investment. I think it's like 500 rupees investing in this kind of assets are maybe that is worth doing it. Now let's say I waited till like 2 hours to get in it into 25 or 24 rupees, but let's see, it's okay to get in 33 1750. So let's get into the trade. I have filled the quantity, that is 497250. Okay, I'll get the 15 coins that will be allotted to my account. Let's place a buy order. Once I click the buy order placed successfully, and it will come to my funds. And now you can see I have the order didn't filled yet. Let's wait for some seconds. Didn't filled. So what happened? Okay, let's give it some time. This is something which is 33 1500. Okay, let's get into this price. My order will be filled in 331500 and it's on 33/2/1856. Let's wait some time so that it can get filled. Just a small bounce back and it will be filled. This is same as buying a stock. Okay, let's wait for some time. Okay, And if you are you also want to invest in Dogecoins, just use the link in the description so that you can make an account. And once the account is mapped under my referral, I will be ready to help you with the KYC process. And I'll okay, one more thing, until this order get filled, let's talk about some more stuff. How to fund your account. Okay, once you come to this funds, you will see all kinds of stuff like branded protocols, just GST. You just have to come, if you are in India, you just have to come in Indian INR, or if you are ready to fund it to USD, you can just see the USD coin. Okay, so I am from India, so let's say how can we make a deposit. Okay, my order get filled. Now I have 55 quantities of Dozy, and here we can see exchanges, the order get filled. Okay, completed orders, and the order get filled. I get some 15 quantities. You can see like I bought it for 24.69. I told you that I bought 40 quantity for 24.69, and then I bought 15 quantity again for 33.15. Now let's see how we are not talking about this Biocoin, so let's see how we gonna fund our account. You just need to verify the account with them, then you will have to click on deposit. The instant deposit with UPI is not available right now, so what you'll have to do is you will have to transfer the amount on the given bank account. Okay, once you make the payment on the given bank account, from the bank account you use to verify the account. That means first you need to verify an account with them, that is your personal saving account, or maybe that will be your personal current account. Once the account is verified, you can transfer the money on this account using the verified account, that is this. Okay, so once you make the payment, that will be reflected in 4 hours here in INR. Okay, and then you can trade various currencies that are available with them, like Dozy, BTC, USD, YRX, XRP, WEN, TRX, and BNB, Ethereum, and others. So this is what this video is all about. I don't think someone will give you this much detailed video about Dogecoin, how to purchase it, and I don't think people are going to show you by placing a trade and completing it. So I think this investment will be the next Bitcoin. I think that doesn't mean your perception will be same about this, but the thing is, yeah, that is something which I believe will go on. So 1500 rupees is something which I'm ready to lose, so I put it for the long term. I thought I am thinking that it might touch $1 or maybe in $10 in coming 1 or 2 years. So this is something which I can put into a trade and forget about this. Like a previous trade, I told you I have 65 coins worth 65 rupees, and I sold it in like 1300. Okay, that was around 1700. That's why I dropped the bio coin, because they are taking too much commissions and all. The coin was worth 1700, but they allow me to sell it for 1300. So that's okay. That's why I transfer my account from Biocoin to Wazirex. You can if you want to create an account, just check the description. It has a link. You can click and fill the email, phone number, bank account, Aadhaar card number if you are in India, and other documents. You can upload it. It will be verified within 24 hours. So, and if you find anything, like if you are opening account from my referral, and if you find anything difficult, I'm ready to help you, but the condition is you'll have to open the account from my referral. Thank you so much for watching. Keep connected with Casperency, and just be safe, just be at home, don't go away. Like the COVID is increasing like a Dogecoin. The COVID has the same spike. The cases are increasing like anything. So I hope you and your family is safe, and I want you to just be safe, stay happy, stay at home. Thank you so much for watching. Keep connected with Casperency.